Hola guys, hi guys, simply Mia right here, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Mia and I'm a Namibian village content creator. Child, we are doing the things here in the village. Welcome back to yet another vlog. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you do love village content, you do enjoy village content, please do subscribe, because this channel is for you, child. It is for you. Please do subscribe, like, and start leaving comments in the comment section down below. Yeah. I have content that never made it to any of my vlogs, so I'm starting these vlogs. So I tried to fit in the content that I had for you guys, because we are not wasting content. Like, we are not doing that. We put so much effort into creating content, so we gotta make sure that all the content is up. Yeah, so today we are giving shout outs to Secilia Popi, Johanna Benjamin, and Beco AW. Yes, shout out to you guys. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Thank you for being part of my YouTube journey. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, for sharing, and just thank you for the love, guys. Thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. So right now, how do I explain this? Right now, I am waiting for my mother. She went to get some palm leaves from the oceana there. We are going to make shade for our mango. Like, we are in September now and it's extremely hot. The sun is hot, and we just thought, man, there's a mango man that is small. It's not so small, but yeah, we just thought that it needs shade. And then she is also getting some palm leaves, so we burn. I don't know how to explain this, but keep watching. This is Memo Katemba Hanoche Mochingris. Mentiko Guchi. Umkanga. Kandi Guching, I muchapo hiti monike mara kiti kuchochi nti hawitha noche. So we've made this out of a tree. Oh, out of a tree that is apparently used to make traditional cups or mahoro. So we're gonna be using this. We have 4 dogs now. Here they are. And this is where we'll be serving them their food. So we are gonna burn these palm leaves in here, because there are some the inside part is not as smooth as we would like it to be, so we are gonna burn the leaves inside there, and then hopefully it will make a difference. We really hope it will help. And I'll see, guys, if I'll find the name of the tree where this has been made from, and then put it up on the screen for y'all. mother is cooking the beds for us because she's the one that knows the things. Me, I do not know. I don't remember cooking beds at all. Ando thachira, but mombigangei this water. Ache. Ooh, I love this view. I love the views. The view. Okay, that's the chicken coop. Not sure. Okay, it's not clear, but anyways, guys, my mom doesn't know why I'm on YouTube. This is Meno speaking. So I haven't been home since January. We are in August now, and I'm home. And like you guys can see because of the sunset, but that side and the other side. Taringani ya kutumbiro mbiga. Ai nandenga mwati ndigi unyarayo.
Anditi ngeno waringa wete moyo aturo mbiga mikoro.
It's giving. Meme nento hadiriwa. Nani hadiriwa? Hamandiriko nete. Ukagosa. Guys, what karelo mbiga like literally. Utawuliwa?
Utawuliwa?
Nunta mwati.
Katohana ndiriko nete. Yamuka kesha urungwaza.
Ndiye ngodara tikani pamwengo wara. Mia hono kaviro katinga. Ukatiali.
Ana ngati handiri. What is this? Ndio nesipa.
Kono ikiringa yo?
Ya kuguru.
Shimiterika. On this day, I went over to my grandmother's house and I found somebody renovating the roof of her storage room. They had removed the old grass. Now he had to put on some new grass right there. That's what he was doing. And this was his day 2 of working. It took him 3 days to complete, which is quite understandable because he was working alone. It does look like an easy process, but I don't really think it is. One really has to know what they're doing. You need to know what you are doing, how to position your grass, when to tie, how to tie, all those things. This one is done. Neatly done. Oh, wawe ndungiro naku. Oh. Looks good. Hola guys, so today is Sunday, 30th of October. I am at church here for the baptism of my 10th godchild. These numbers are going up, but yeah, I hope I'll be able to vlog. My phone is already flat. I do not have a power bank with me, but I hope it goes well. If y'all see this, that means I succeeded in getting content today. Also, I did my own hair because I ain't got no time to go to the salon.
Oma Secilia Popi. Tadi kusasa imetina yake ndio mwana ndio keponja kuti amen. Sura daga mwa Yesu Kristo sura ya kama ndio. Ya ndio keponja kuti na kapa mwanangu Secilia na ngombe na amen.
So we had food and we just finished now. Had this whole platter. Still at church because just because so hi guys, so it's another day. It is a new day. I hope you're enjoying this vlog. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. if you do enjoy this type of content, please do subscribe. And please guys, let's get to 1.5 subscribers before the end of the year. So last night it was very windy. I was hoping that we'll receive a very huge amount of rain, but instead it was just windy. Now we do have a situation here. This katala is falling apart. Yo, guys, omagumbo, I didn't know it was this difficult. This is not even my house name, but the pressure is already getting worse. So this katala is falling apart. Ipirangyo shika no mo English awa. Ipirangyo yateka. Now there's this space here. See? Somebody please tell my brother in the comment sections to come home. He's most the man of the house. He has to fix this because I don't know what we're going to do. But this is where we like keep our buckets, get them in the shade. Now I don't know what we're going to do with this situation. I really don't know. Few months ago, I was watching a video on YouTube on how people grow avocados, and I tried it and it worked. So I have this one all grown. Ooh, it's becoming like, is it tall? Yeah, this one I have this one, and this one also is growing. I mean, okay, it's already grown. The leaf will come out here. Oh, okay, it is coming out. I don't know if y'all can see, but here I've tried it on 3 seeds. So this one is like a big print now, and this one is just starting. Then I have this one. I don't know, like I tried this like just at the same time. It wasn't the same day, but I think it was in the same week. But this one is refusing to grow. I don't know why, but I hope it does. But it takes time. It takes time. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with these avocados because I don't even eat. I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but yay, I just wanted to try something out and it worked. Hola, it is another day of this vlog. I am doing laundry. And I'm just here to close off this vlog. I hope you did enjoy. It's a short one. No, it's over 10 minutes, so it's not short. Yeah, so I hope you did enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave comments in the comment section down below. Also, excuse my hair. I need to fix my hair. I need to fix my hair. But yeah. And please guys, please let's get to 1.5 subscribers before 2023. I know we can do it. We have like 40 more subscribers to go. So please guys, let's keep sharing the content. Okay, bye-bye.